After that, our this phenomena is clear. Now, one topic is left here, ionization constant for water. We will discuss later on. Why we will discuss it later on? There is some reason. Because before that, you have to clear some topic, some terms here. It is very important. Next point is very important. Ostwald dilution law. It is the name of the scientist Ostwald. It's sometime Ostwald's law of what? Not law of. You can write it Ostwald's dilution law. Ostwald dilution law. Dilute. The word dilution comes from dilute. The word dilution comes from dilute. So note it down according to dilution, Ostwald dilution law. What is the law? The degree of dissociation, that means alpha, of a weak electrolyte of a weak electro of a weak electrolyte is directly proportional to directly proportional to the square root of dilution. This is the incorrect spelling. What is written here? The degree of dissociation alpha of a weak electrolyte is directly proportional to the square root of dilution. Dilution is represented by V, and weak electrolyte means acid and base. How? Which type of acid and base? Weak. Weak acid and weak base. We are talking about weak acid and weak base. The concept is alpha is directly proportional to under root V. This is the concept, main concept. Alpha is directly proportional to under root V. Degree of dissociation. This is DOD. Degree of dissociation is directly proportional to square root of dilution. This is V. Note it down fast. Done? It's completed. Tell me, guys. Okay. So after this, I'm erasing. Remove this proportionality symbol, and alpha is equal to under root Ka into V. We take a constant. If we are removing proportional symbol, then we have to take any constant. So Ka is a constant, alpha proportional Kav, and Ka is equal to, what is Ka? Ionization constant. Ionization constant. One more thing, one more explanation is here. Alpha proportional 1 upon under root C, that means V. V depends upon concentration, so alpha proportional 1 upon under root C. So alpha is equal to under root Ka upon C under root Kb upon C. Ionization constant of acid. So we can take acid and base both. So Ka upon C, Kb upon C. This is the Ostwald dilution law. Ostwald dilution law. Is it okay? Ostwald dilution law. After that, we have some example. It is given here. H3PO4 H plus H2PO4 minus. Here ionization constant is Ka1. Then H2PO4 minus, again H plus and HPO4 double minus, or we can say minus 2. Here Ka2. HPO4 minus 2 again dissociate, it's PO4 minus 3. So which, and ionization constant is Ka3. Write it down, all the ionization constant in increasing or decreasing order. The question is, note it down in increasing or decreasing order. Then how will you write? You know, this is a strong acid. H3PO4 is a strong acid, but this is a weak acid because not completely dissociate. This is also a weak acid. So what is the order of ionization? It is much more in K1, then A1, A2 and A3. This is the order. Note it down. Order of ionization constant. So we can write directly. How we can write it directly? It's done, guys.